Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. So this is our seventh video of our employee register application. In our previous video, we have installed Django. Now in this video, we will create admin panel in the Django project, and we will also create the employee model, and we will add some data. Then in the next video or in the upcoming video, we will create the Django API with the Django REST framework package. So let's start to do this. So we have installed Django, and we are running the Django project. If I go to this is the welcome page. Now I will go to the command line and stop the server and run the command py manage.py migrate. So this Django comes with the default models like user, groups, and auth, admin. So it will create the models. It will create the tables for our for these models. And Django also comes with the default database, which is SQLite. So Django create the tables and create the tables in the SQLite database. So now we need to create the admin panel. So what we will do here, we will run command py manage.py. So please remember that whenever you create the admin, so before creating admin, you need to migrate the default models. So now we have migrated the default models. Now we can create the admin panel. So py manage.py create super user. So when we run this command, then it will ask that what we want to name the what we want to keep the username. Now I will admin and email address, I will skip the email address, and password, I will fill the password. And it is asking that your password is weak, so I say yes, it is a weak password. And now we will manage.py run server. So let's check that. So all things are running. And now we will go to the admin, and here we have a with the help of this admin suffix, we can open the login panel. And when we go to admin and fill the password, then here you can see we have a admin panel. So this is great feature of Django. So we don't need to create the admin panel from scratch. So Django comes with this default admin panel. Now what we will do, we will create the employee model. So actually in Django, we will create the tables in or fields in the form of models. So open the main application and open the models.py. So we have created the main application. So models.py file is created in this model.py file created in this folder. Now we will create the employee model. So class employee models dot, we will extend the we will extend the default model class, which is Django model class, which is, you can see here we are importing this from Django DB. And now we will create field. So our field will be full name. So full name will be character field and maximum length. So this maximum length is required parameter. Without this you cannot create the field, it will return error. Full name, email, so email will be also a character field. Maximum length, it will be 100. And contact is also character field, and maximum length will be I say 20. And address, so address will be dot text field. And now here I will define the string function. We will see, I will explain you string function later that what is the work of this function, work of this method. So we are creating this return self dot title. Okay, no, self dot full name. Okay, self dot full name. Now we have created the model. Now we need to create the migration file. So let's create the migration file. I'll stop the server and create py-manage.py make migration. So please remember these commands, because these are routine commands. You need to remember this. So without this you cannot migrate, or you cannot done the routine functionality. So our first step is to create the model, employee model, and the second step is to run the make migration command. So this will create the, so before make, so you can see here we have no changes detected. It means migration file is not created. So why this migration file is not created? Because we have not registered our application with our project. So what we will do, we will open the project level setting, open our settings.py, and in the installed app list we need to add our app name, so that Django will identify that this project has apps, and we have attached the app with the project. So now when we run the make migration file, then you can see here we have create model employee. This is our migration file has been created. Now what we will do, we will migrate this py manage.py migrate. Now my we have migrated the model. What we will do, py manage.py run server. So we will run the server and go to our admin, and here I will refresh. So nothing is affected, because we have created the model and we have created the migration also, but we didn't attach the model with our admin. So how we can attach this? So I will open the app level. I'm in the main application directory. I will open the admin.py file. And here I will import my models. From models import, actually I've created only one model, so I will import model, not models. So employee, and here I will admin.site.register. So what I want to register, I want to register employee model. Now I will restart my server. I restart the server and go to the this. So here you can see we have a employee model, and we in the main app. So this is the app name and this is our model name. So when you click on this, then it will already create the CRUD application for this employee model. So this is the power of Django. This is the power of this beautiful framework. So we have we have a model, we have a add functionality. We can easily add the data. john@gmail.com, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and this is demo address. So we can easily save this, and we can easily edit this. So here you can see we have a list. So here we will it will show the list of employees. So here you can see we have it is showing the name. So why it is showing the name? Because in our model I have defined the default string method, that what will we show. If I put the contact here, then what it will show, it will show the contact number. So that I have defined this method. Okay, now I want to show all the fields. I want to show full name, I want to show contact, all the four fields. So what I will do, I will create here class, employee admin dot model admin. I'm extending this model admin class, and here I will define list display, that what we want to display in list. So I want to display full name, I want to display, you can say, email, contact, and address. And one thing more we need to do, we need to register this class with the employee model. So here, so we have a all these four fields are showing now. So we have seen that how to create admin, how to register the model in admin, and how to modify the admin list data. So this is very powerful. Django is very powerful uh, framework to create the application, to create the project. And so in the next video we will create the Django REST API. We will create the Django REST API of this model, of this employee model, and then we will fetch the data with the ReactJs from the API. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.